today's video, we're going to be updating this chicken gun house. That one right there. We're going to be updating today's video. I've got my hacks right here. I'll just put my, jetpack, get mode, infinite ammo. There we go. Now unlock everything. Now we've unlocked everything. Let's start. So right here, no one house. So we start off with these rugs. We start off with the rugs. Where's the rug? Let me just go find it. Yeah, right here. Let's go start off. These rugs. It's gonna be like royalty. Hey. So we got that. Yeah. Then now we have to have a door with gangsters. All of you out there, we're all gangsters. Now, come on, let's gonna do, before we get into it and before we do some more, come on, if you know me, Gamer122 Stinky Cat, and please make sure to like and subscribe, and please, I love you boys and girls, so let's get right into it again. Okay, so right here, here's the doors. Close them. Yeppity yep. Let's do it. I got some right here. I got some washing machine. This one's not gonna be that good downstairs, but yeah. So we're gonna do a table. We're gonna do a table. Wait, yeah, we're gonna do a table. My table, where is it? Oh yeah. There we go, table right here. Table for two, please. No. Oh yeah. So got it right here. Right here. Obviously you have to put some food on it. Obviously we have to put some food on it. Actually no. Let's pretend like we didn't have any food. So then I feel like we should have a bit of a mirror. Oh no, we should have a shed. Because I just found out we should have a shed of our car. Yeah, our shed's gonna be right here. And then, oh yeah. There's our shed. There, we have a shed. Now we gotta go upstairs. The downstairs don't look that good, but now here's the great bits. Now also we got a mirror. Yeah, we got a mirror right here. So we gotta go check here now. We gotta go like stealth mode. So we gotta get some TV. Oh yeah, it's in the thingy. Let me just right here. So this is gonna be the CCTV camera. See, put it up there. Then it checks all around if there's players. There's the CCTV camera. And then here's gonna be the table. Yeah, obviously we have to have a table. You know, who doesn't want a table? Like, you gotta do some gaming, you know. No gaming. Guys, put in the comments if you like gaming or not. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you don't want to, I don't mind. But if you do, put it in the comments. So, right here. Then we're gonna include a pet. So we're gonna have like a pet. What do you think's the cutest? I don't think any of these are cute, to be honest. Wait. We'll have a pet cat. See, you can have a cat because a cat's there. At least. So let's go. But we have to like find out. Does this fit on it? Oh yeah, it kind of does. Wait, let's go. Wait. Let's put it down here. It can fit down here. Oh no, our pet cat. It can be here. Then we put some gates. I wonder what I'm gonna name it, to be honest. Wait, you know, I might name it Mun. Yeah, come on, look at that Mun. Come on, Mun. Come on, Mun, just wagging his tail. I don't know why he's wagging his tail. That's a bit funny. Right, come here. So then we got over here. Yeah. Especially, we need those gaming PCs. Why won't we not have gaming PCs? We can't live without gaming PCs. We can't live without gaming. So, yo, look at me. Ooh, I'm looking good. So, gates. Oh yeah, here's my treasure box. And then full of gold. Money, gold. Money, gold, same thing. Where's that money? Where's my money gone? Where's my money gone? I have to do it. Yay. Smoke. Trees. Yo. So. Shout out. Yo, I'm gonna get a shout out. Shout out to Saudi Gaming Sisters and Abdullah. Yeah. He's one of my subscribers. Thanks to him, we're gonna hit 10 million subscribers. I'm joking, we're not. My dream is to, but we can't. Oh yeah, here's the money. Money. There we go. So guys, I'll update this in the next video. See you later. And for a reminder, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be shouting out at the next video. Goodbye. I love you all. Bye.